In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Gmail two-step verification. This important security feature helps protect your account by requiring a second verification step whenever you sign in. It's a simple process that we'll walk through together right here, right now. So let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to your Gmail account. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.gmail.com. Quickly log in with your email address and password if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, take a moment to look around and locate your profile icon. It's in the top right corner of your screen. This is where you can access various settings related to your Google account. Next, go ahead and click on that profile icon. You'll notice a small menu drop down. Here, you'll see an option that says Google account next to the icon. It's right under your email address. Click on this option. This will take you to the main Google account settings page, where you can manage all aspects of your account from personal information to security preferences. Upon entering the Google account settings page, glance at the left side of the screen. You'll find a menu with several options. Among these options is security. Clicking on this section will direct you to an array of security features that Google offers to help keep your account safe and sound. Inside the security section, you want to look for a title that says signing into Google. Underneath this, you'll notice the option for two-step verification. This is the feature we're aiming to activate today. Clicking this link will bring you to a new page where you can start the process of enabling two-step verification. When the new page loads, you will be greeted with more information about two-step verification. If you're ready to enhance your account's security, hit the Get Started button. Taking this step indicates your willingness to proceed, and Google will now guide you step by step through the setup process. At this point, Google may ask you to re-enter your password. This is just an extra check to ensure it's really you making these changes, so type in your password with care and click Next to continue. Now Google will prompt you to choose a second verification step. The most popular option is using your phone. You will see your phone number listed. Make sure it is correct because Google will use it to send a verification code. Click Send to receive a text or call depending on your previous settings with Google. Once you've received the code, simply input it into the field provided and click Next. This will authenticate your phone number with Google and set it up to be your backup verification method whenever you sign in. If everything is correct and the code works, you're almost done. You'll come upon a screen with a big turn on button. This button is essentially the final step in activating two-step verification. Go ahead and click on that button to conclude the setup. Congratulations, you've successfully turned on two-step verification for your Gmail account. Henceforth, whenever you log into Gmail, you'll provide both your password and a unique verification code sent to your phone, adding an indispensable extra layer of security to your account. In addition, if at any point you want to manage your settings or add another level of security like a security key, you can always revisit the security settings under your Google account. Feel free to explore these settings to find what works best for you. In closing, enabling two-step verification is a crucial step in securing your online presence. It guards against unauthorized access, significantly enhancing the security of your Gmail and all linked accounts. We hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward, allowing you to confidently protect your digital life. Thank you for tuning in today, and make sure to check out our channel for more tutorials on keeping your online presence safe browsing, and until next time.